Hey, what's up guys, this is Ars from artofmarketingblack.com and this is my Optin Turbo review, demo and $3,000 bonus. I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about Optin Turbo, and it is an amazing new product, especially if you need traffic and leads, and obviously traffic and leads equals sales. So essentially it creates viral funnels you can use to again generate traffic, generate leads and generate sales with 6 clicks. I'm going to have a full demo for you guys as always, and right now let me share my screen and then let's jump into this Optin Turbo review. And even before I'm going to show you the actual sales page and everything else, I just wanted to show you some competitors, because the price on this will be super low, and actually when you compare it to the competitors, it's a no-brainer, because ClickFunnels, as you can see, it's either $97 per month or $300 per month. So obviously this is a great tool, but in order to be able to pay $97 or $297 per month, you already need to be able to make money, because you don't want to be paying $300 a month without actually making any sales first. So that's ClickFunnels. $100 to $300 per month, keep that in mind. And obviously we also have a Convertri. So this is very similar, a little bit less expensive, but we have 3 different options, and the lowest one is $53 per month, and that's if you are paying annually. Okay, so it's either 53, 58 or 166, and again this is something that you have to pay monthly for. Now I also went to Fiverr and I looked up squeeze pages. Okay, so first of all, if you want to have a squeeze page built by someone else, this is how much you would have to pay. And keep in mind, with Optin Turbo you can create amazing looking squeeze pages, and even if you don't want to use it yourself, you can just do it for other people on sites like Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer or anywhere else. Okay, so as you can see, $20 is the average price, and people are actually buying these gigs in the hundreds. Okay, so 150, 310, as you can see, people are buying 700 here. So $20 on average for a squeeze page, and you're getting dozens of squeeze pages included with Optin Turbo. Okay, so with that being said, you see the competitors, you see the pricing, and let's check out the sales page. And as you can see, it says Optin Turbo. This gets you results in 2020. You are 6 clicks away from viral funnels that get you free traffic, leads and sales in 60 seconds. Finally, a software that lets you experience the laptop lifestyle. So as always, you can go through all of this in your own time. Obviously, I just wanted to hit on some key points. Obviously, these guys have some massive proof behind it. This is a 3-step simple process. Billy, Justin and Nick, these are the 3 guys behind this product. Again, some more proof, 1 to 3 steps, obviously, as always. And again, Optin Turbo, that's the name of this new product. They have some really good proof behind this. Obviously, you're gonna get the software, you're gonna get customer support, you're gonna get video training, you're gonna get the agency license, which means that again you can do this for your clients, and you can sell these squeeze pages on Fiverr or anywhere else, or even local clients. You're gonna get a case study and some bonuses, and obviously you're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever is mentioned right here on the sales page. So some testimonials right here. So these are the bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of it, 30 days money back guarantee, and that's essentially it. So again, you can go through all of this in your own time. And right now let me show you the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like. So again, you're going to be creating amazing looking squeeze pages, funnels, and that will be generating you viral traffic, leads and sales. So as you can see, we have the dashboard right here. So we have the visitors, activities, the traffic report, 10 most recent links created. Now we're going to go to new campaign. So I'm not going to be creating a full campaign right now, but I'm going to have a full demo so you can check out exactly step by step how this looks like. Okay, so as you can see, we have dozens of amazing looking squeeze pages. So again, even if you don't want to use this software for yourself, you can just create squeeze pages for other people and make bank with this, because for a silly low one-time price, with just 1 Fiverr gig, you're gonna make the money back, and then everything else is just 100% profit. So as you can see, amazing looking designs. That's for squeeze pages and different niches, for different products, for webinars, for just normal opt-in, for even local restaurants like pizzas, etc., social media, So you know, again, tons of designs, everything is amazing looking, and you can just pick anyone. All of this is included. Okay, so that's new campaign. Then obviously we can access all campaigns right here. So after you create a campaign, you can access it right here. Then we have the leads. Now obviously you can connect Optin Turbo to an autoresponder, or the other cool thing is that it can actually start generating leads for you, and it keeps it for you, which means that you don't need an autoresponder to start. Then you can export that list wherever you want. So this is great if you want to use this for your customers, or if you don't have an autoresponder but you want to start collecting leads, you can, because Optin Turbo will save these leads for you. And again, that's great for customers as well. Now we have blog traffic. This is a quick tool for looking at blogs where you can get traffic from. This will be explained in the demo, so I just wanted to mention this to you. Then we have all links, so obviously we're gonna have all of the statistics right here. Then we have integrations, so again, you can use an autoresponder with this or not, it's totally up to you. But if you have Aweber or ActiveCampaign or GetResponse or MailChimp or ConvertKit, or if you want to use a custom autoresponder with an IP API, you can. And again, you don't really need an autoresponder because Optin Turbo will keep the emails for you. As you can see right here, we can access the agency license and the reseller. That's some of the upsells that I'm going to show you in a second. And then we have the settings. So obviously here you can add your email and just edit all of the settings. So this is how the dashboard looks like. And again, I'm going to have a full demo a part of this video, so I will upload it both to my YouTube channel, and it will be available on my blog, so you can check out the exact steps. And right now let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, the main product Optin Turbo will be $22.95. Now keep in mind, this is not monthly, this is a one-time price. And even if you're just going to be using Fiverr to sell these squeeze pages, 1 gig will make you this investment back, and then everything else is profit. And obviously you can create these squeeze pages and funnels for yourself, and this will save you a ton of money, because again, just one of these squeeze pages will be around $20 on Fiverr. And obviously you don't have to pay for ClickFunnels or Convertri or any other funnel builder. So again, $22.95, but this is the early bird price. And let me go through all of the upsells pricings first, and then we will see exactly what they do. Okay, so as you can see, one-time offer number one, $49. Then we have one-time offer number two, $69. Then number three is $197. Offer number four, $49, and no offer number five, $197. And as always, guys, right here on my blog, I have a full breakdown for you. This will include the funnel and my bonuses that we will talk about in a second. So again, $22.95 for Optin Turbo, and this will be the early bird price. After that, the price will be going up, so make sure to show up early. Then we have the unlimited edition for $49. That's Optin Turbo upsell number one. So the main version has some limitations, and if you want to remove all of them, that will be $49, the unlimited edition. Then we have the viral traffic edition, Optin Turbo OTO number 269, and this will unlock the automation viral traffic module. Okay, so if you want to be able to generate even more viral traffic, that's $69, OTO number 2. OTO number 3, we got Optin Turbo done for you edition. So this is a massive done for you package, including campaigns, including different follow-ups, etc. So this is something that just takes away the guesswork, and you can just copy and paste these done for you campaigns into your accounts and start making money. So that's done for you, $197, OTO number 3. Optin Turbo Reseller Edition is $49. That's the fourth upsell, and essentially you can sell this product as your own and all the products in the funnel and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Normally people charge around $200, $300 for it. This is $49, which is super low. And then the last one, we have Luxury Edition Optin Turbo OTO number 5, $197, and this is a very individual experience where their team, so the team from Justin and Billy, will actually log into your accounts, and they will set all of this up for you. So this will include hosting, this will include domains, your accounts, autoresponder, and all the campaigns. Okay, so they will actually send a physical person and they will set all of this up for you. So that's $197, but it's essentially, this is like hiring a VA. Okay, so as always, guys, OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone, but if you want to make your life a little bit easier, maybe with the done for you pack or maybe with the unlimited version because you want to take massive action, then you can definitely consider picking up one of these OTOs up. Now let me mention to you that I have $3,000 worth of bonuses if you'll decide to pick up Optin Turbo through my link, and Optin Turbo will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on January 18th. That's a Saturday. Now, to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links right here from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, that's the first link in the description, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. So first of all, I'm going to give you 3 custom-made bonuses. So these are all about traffic. So obviously you want to send as much traffic as you can. So more traffic equals more leads, equals more sales, equals more money. So that's exactly what you're gonna get right here with this first 3 custom-made bonuses. I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my own products: Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. So that bonus alone is worth $500. Okay, you're also gonna get Buyers List Ninja, Blaze, copy and paste $80 a day, Instant Cash Jackpot, Piggyback Cash System. These are all WSO of the day awarded products, and some additional software. So you're gonna get push button traffic, you're gonna get auto affiliate machine, viral commission machine, super affiliate class, and some additional WSO of the day awarded courses. $100 daily, 3-minute commissions, $171 a day. Copy profit case study, fastest way to $169, tube commission loophole, flip me, tube traffic avalanche, case study on free traffic, and 9 additional plugins. So you're gonna get affiliate advantage plugin, giant plugin biz, sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, true text, I ask, pop box, sales bar, and short code call to action. Now that's a total of $1,495, and on top of this you will get my mega bonus, which is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means that this is a total of $2,995, just $5 shy from $3,000. And again, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free if you'll decide to pick up Optin Turbo through my link once it's live at 11 a.m. Eastern on January 18th. Now, let me sum up this Optin Turbo review real quick for you guys. And again, this is something that first of all will make you money, will save you money, and so you're gonna get ready to earn viral funnels with 6 clicks. You're gonna get traffic, leads, and sales in 60 seconds. All-in-one software, nothing else is needed. Obviously this is brand new for 2020. Step-by-step video training included. This is something I didn't show you, but you're gonna get video training as well. Beginner friendly. Obviously this will create a laptop lifestyle. 365 days money back guarantee. So not 30 days, it's actually a full year. And you're gonna get results or get paid $300. So actually this is something that they mentioned on the sales page as well. So guys, before we go, let me just mention that I have a full written review right here on my blog as always, so you can go through all of this as well. And let me show you how to claim my bonus. So after you'll decide to pick up Optin Turbo through my link, just go to your purchase history. So click on your icon right here on the top right corner from Warrior Plus, go to purchase history, then click on Optin Turbo or any other product that you got from my link. And on the deliver page below the green button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you're gonna get my bonuses. So you don't have to send me emails or receipts or anything like this. This is delivered to you automatically. Now, Optin Turbo, definitely something if you want to make some easy money online in 2020. And again, obviously, if you want to start creating these big lists of leads and start making sales this way, that's great. And even if you're an absolute beginner, you can just start creating these squeeze pages for other people on Fiverr or anywhere else and charge them $20-25 per squeeze page. And as you can see, you're getting dozens of designs included for a one-time price. So again, it's not like ClickFunnels, $300 per month. It's not like a Convertory up to 168. You're getting everything for $22 one-time price. Okay, so guys, I really like this product. Pick it up from my link to get all the bonuses. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment on the YouTube video. Please like this video on YouTube, obviously, and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. So guys, I'm going to see you in the next review video. And again, Optin Turbo goes live on Saturday, and that's the 18th of January at 11 AM Eastern. See you there. Ciao.